Ever wondered why your content doesn't rank on Google? Well, if you are a content writer, a content blogger, or anyone who works with organic traffic, this video is for you. Because I'm going to show you how you can optimize your content that ranks on Google in 5 simple steps. Let's roll. To make sure your content ranks on Google, you should connect with your target audience with keywords they're searching for. Let's take you through some easy steps that you can follow. First up, analyze your keyword with SERP Analysis. To boost your rankings on search results, it's all about checking out what your competitors are up to and to make sure you're connecting with your users' intent.
What?
Wondering what user intent is? Allow me to explain. You need to know exactly what your target audience is searching for. Like when they search for apple, are they looking for this kind of apple, this type, this one, or a place called apple? So that's where SERP analysis comes in. It helps you understand what your users are actually looking for. You can try GetGenie's blog wizard. Insert your keyword that matches with your topic or content. You can provide some additional context on your topic or keywords, which adds more dimension to your keyword. Make sure your SEO mode is turned on. Now, click on Analyze Keyword and you'll find a list of keywords, competitors, and questions asked on your keyword for better insights. Now, let's move to the Competitors tab and click Fetch Data. Here, you'll see all the top-ranked blog posts for your keyword. And as a bonus, you'll also get to see how many words, headings, and images are in these blogs. Click on More Details to see all the headings and read the content. Simply identify content gaps, leverage strengths, and dominate search result pages with AI-driven SERP analysis. All at your fingertips now. Also, you can optimize your blog post with GetGenie AI. Go to the dashboard and click All Posts. Then you can edit your blog content right there. You'll see content scores based on Google's ranking factors and algorithms. Just click on the score to get recommendations for word count, headings, images, alt text for images, internal links, and other SEO stuff. Guess what? Here comes the best part. You'll also find NLP filtered related keywords to further optimize your content according to what your users are searching for. And it doesn't end here. You can add custom keywords for optimization. Now, enhance your blog posts using NLP keywords, including headings, to boost your content's SEO score. Let's move to the Competitors tab and turn on the SERP visualizer to identify the significant metrics of your competitors' content with GetGenie AI. On the right side, you can see the ranked competitors' sites, which you can use to analyze your website's performance and make improvements to compete better. Here's a bonus. Find the Head-to-Head Analysis tab, turn it on to compare your content with your competitors. Identify where you're doing well and track where to improve, making it easier for you to adjust your content strategy and rank higher in search results. So here's something amazing GetGenie has got for you. You can generate and optimize your content outline using customized content. You can create your customized content step by step, where you can customize specific sections with related keywords and customize the headings and images with what your audiences are loving online. Let me walk you through how it works. First, select Customized Content, then go ahead and mark each heading of your blog post and generate your content outline. You can also use custom keywords in your content. It's very easy. Click on Instructions or Keywords to add a custom keyword. Write your own keywords or select from the suggested ones. You can add a context for better understanding, but that's optional. Click on Generate. The content related to the given keyword will be added to your content now. How cool is that? Now, you can optimize your content with AI-powered SEO in 5 easy steps that anyone can follow. If you're interested to try out GetGenie, check out the link in the description box below and do not forget to share your experience with us. So let us know if this video has helped you, and we will see you soon with more helpful content ahead.